Hello everyone! Today, we're going to be talking about strings and what they do in general. However, if you want to have a bigger picture, you can always watch this short video explaining it. So, what is a string? Well, a string is any sequence of characters wrapped around double or single quotes. So, let me give you an example. Let's create a variable called greeting, and this variable is going to take a string. Now, you can put single or double quotes as mentioned previously. So for now, we're going to put single quotes. And let's type in welcome to our store. Great. Now, let's print this out. We're going to print this variable called greeting. Let's click run. And on the console, it's going to show us welcome to our store. Great, but now let's create another variable called status, and it is going to take a string too. But this time, we're going to write in how are you doing. Great. So, let's say we want to add both of these values together. So how do we do this? Well, we can use operators. Now, one of the operators that we're going to use is going to be the plus sign. So, we can do greeting plus status, and then when we click run, it's going to print out both of those strings but together. So as you can see over here, it says welcome to our store. How are you doing? But you can see over here there's no spaces, or that it is not aesthetically pleasing. So what we can do is this. We have three ways. We can put a space over here. We can put a space in front of how, or over here we add another plus sign. We put strings inside of it, single or double quotes, it doesn't matter, and we put a space. So now, when we click run, it is going to say welcome to a store, and there's going to be a space added, and then it's going to be followed by how are you doing. Great, this is all for now. If you want to learn more, go to codefundamental.com and I'll see you there.